Halki Diabetes Remedy is a 21-day protocol for reversing diabetes. The plan comes in the form of e-books and video guides which can be easily comprehended. By following the steps mentioned in these, you will be able to notice optimal blood glucose levels and overall better health. With this program, you can also lose weight along with improving your diabetes condition. The program has been constructed only after extensive research has been carried out on the approaches that are mentioned. Interestingly, you are not recommended any harmful techniques or procedures, which means it doesn't result in adverse side effects on your health. Hence, you can use this program without any hesitation, safely and regularly. Halki Diabetes Remedy Review. When it comes to your health, you should always prefer natural solutions. The pharmaceutical industry might have grown in size and in numbers and with more and more research, but unfortunately fraud and scamming have also increased with time. Take for instance, a diabetic patient. If science has progressed so much, then why is there no cure for diabetes? Why do people keep suffering and depending on medications for the rest of their life? And yet, despite all the OTC drugs, there is always a risk of blindness, amputation, and further worsening health. Asking all these questions, a diabetes patient himself, who goes by the name of Kevin, tried a rather unique approach which helped him actually reverse his diabetes and live without depending on pills and injections. After benefiting from his plan, Kevin decided to share his secret of reversing diabetes with the rest of the world in the form of a 21-day protocol called Halki Diabetes Remedy. This program comprises of important information which can help you improve your overall health as well as lose weight and reduce risk factors for a number of health conditions. By going for this program, you no more will have to live with diabetes as you may not have been ever told or expected before. What does this program consist of? Halki Diabetes Remedy book comprises of material which can help reduce the symptoms that are associated with diabetes as well as aid in natural weight loss. The information mentioned comes from professionals who have years of experience in the medical field as well as have conducted thorough research on how diabetes can be combated. In this regard, what you learn from this program includes special recipes that revolve around healthy foods which are anti-diabetes, ways you can suppress your appetite so that you don't engage in excessive eating or have too many sugar cravings throughout the day, small tips and techniques for improving your overall health, one special trick on how you can eradicate a particular chemical in the cells of your body which is what causes diabetes in the first place. Noteworthy features. There are many plans out there which make big promises. Do all of these work? Obviously, no, they don't. Had every other plan been effective, you wouldn't have had to struggle with diabetes for the most part of your life. However, determining whether or not a product is actually efficient at what it says it can do can be quite challenging. To make your decision of whether or not you should invest in a product, you should be well aware of the features that describe it. That being said, here's a look at both the good and bad qualities of this particular 21-day protocol. Let's start with the favorable features of Halki Diabetes Remedy PDF first. Natural approach. Perhaps the best quality of this program is that it is completely natural in its approach. The recipes that it talks about contain no harmful ingredients which can disturb your health in any way. The other tips and trick mentioned also work in complete sync with your body's chemistry, they do not go against it. This ensures that the product is completely safe for regular use. Easily understandable. Secondly, this program is also preferable because it has been designed in a manner that users can immediately catch what it means to say. All the written words are very comprehensible. For instance, the recipes are mentioned in a straightforward manner. The videos explain everything else that you need to know. Final verdict. Halki Diabetes Remedy is a great program for anyone who wants to get rid of diabetes and stop depending on all the various medications that don't exactly solve the issue. The plan talks about recipes, tips and tricks about how you can actually be able to lose weight and get relief from diabetes. In short, it brings you recipes as well as tells you what you can do to eliminate the toxin from your body which is responsible for triggering diabetes.